Hi, welcome back. Today, we talk about a conversation that feels a little serious for many learners.
Oh, what is it?
Talking to a landlord.
Oh, yes, this one makes me nervous. It feels important, somehow more than usual conversations.
I understand. A landlord is connected to your home, so it feels personal and a little formal too.
Exactly. I always worry I'll say something wrong or sound rude by accident.
That's a very common worry, but today we'll make this feel much easier for you.
Good, because I actually need this. My kitchen sink has a small problem right now.
Oh no, tell me what happened.
It's leaking a little under the sink. I don't know how to explain this in English.
Okay, perfect. Let's learn this together, step by step.
Yes, please. I feel nervous just thinking about calling my landlord.
First, let's start with a simple, polite opening. Hi, sorry to bother you. I have a small problem.
Hi, sorry to bother you. I have a small problem. That feels gentle and polite.
Yes, it shows respect and it prepares the landlord for what's coming.
I like starting with sorry to bother you. It feels less demanding somehow.
Exactly. Now, let's describe your actual problem. There's a leak under the kitchen sink.
There's a leak under the kitchen sink. Okay, this word leak is new for me.
A leak means water is coming out from somewhere it shouldn't, slowly, usually dripping.
Oh, that makes sense. Yes, this is exactly what's happening.
Perfect. Now you have the right word for it.
Thank you. I will remember leak from now on.
Let's practice a full conversation now. I'll be the landlord.
Okay, I'm ready, though still a little nervous.
Hello?
Hi, sorry to bother you. I have a small problem.
Oh, no problem at all. What's going on?
There's a leak under the kitchen sink.
I see. How long has this been happening?
Since yesterday morning, I think.
Okay, thank you for telling me. I'll send someone this week.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
See? That wasn't so difficult, right?
No, actually, it felt calm. I think because I had the right words ready.
Exactly. Preparation removes so much of the fear.
I completely agree. Now, what if the landlord asks more questions? I sometimes freeze with follow-up questions.
Good point. A common question is it urgent? Do you know this word?
I think it means very important, needs help quickly.
Exactly right. You can answer, it's not urgent, but I'd like it fixed soon.
It's not urgent, but I'd like it fixed soon. That's a useful balance.
Yes, it shows patience, but also clear expectation.
I like that. It doesn't sound demanding, but it's still clear.
Exactly right. Now, what if the problem really is urgent, like no hot water or no electricity?
Oh, this happened to me once. No hot water for 2 days.
In that case, you can say, this is urgent. I don't have hot water.
This is urgent. I don't have hot water. Direct and clear. I like this.
Yes, for urgent problems, being direct is actually kind and helpful for everyone. That makes sense. The landlord needs to understand the priority quickly. Exactly right. Now, let's talk about another common situation, asking about rent.
Oh, this topic makes me even more nervous, honestly.
I understand completely. Money conversations feel more sensitive in any language.
Yes, exactly. I never know how to ask about rent politely.
You can say, I wanted to ask about the rent payment. Is everything correct on my side?
I wanted to ask about the rent payment. Is everything correct on my side? That's very polite.
Yes, it opens the conversation without sounding worried or accusing.
I like that it doesn't sound like I'm blaming anyone.
Exactly right. Now, what if you need to ask for more time to pay rent?
Oh, this is a hard one. I would feel very embarrassed asking this.
I understand, but landlords hear this often. You can say, I'm sorry, could I pay a few days late this month?
I'm sorry, could I pay a few days late this month? That's honest and respectful.
Yes, honesty and early communication are always appreciated by landlords.
That's good to know. I always assumed this conversation would be much worse.
Often, our fear is bigger than the actual conversation.
That's very true. Honestly, for many situations, not just this one.
Let's talk about one more topic. What if you want to ask permission for something, like painting a wall or having a pet?
Oh, I actually want to ask about getting a small cat, but I never asked yet.
Perfect example. You can say, "Would it be okay if I got a small cat?"
Would it be okay if I got a small cat? I like how gentle this sounds.
Yes, "would it be okay" is a very polite way to ask permission for anything.
I will use this phrase for so many situations, I think.
It's very flexible. You can use it for pets, painting, guests staying over, many things.
This is such a useful sentence pattern, honestly.
I agree completely. Now, let's practice asking about a repair timeline.
Yes, this happened to me before. I waited 2 weeks and didn't know when to ask again.
You can say, "I was wondering, do you know when someone can come look at it?"
I was wondering, do you know when someone can come look at it? That's soft, but still asks clearly.
Exactly. "I was wondering" is a gentle way to start almost any question.
I love this phrase. It feels less direct, but still gets my point across.
Perfect understanding. Now, what if you don't understand something the landlord says?
Oh, this happens, especially with formal or technical words about the apartment.
You can say, "Sorry, could you explain that in a simpler way?"
Sorry, could you explain that in a simpler way? I really like this version.
Yes, it's specific and it invites simple, clear language back.
I think I will use this one often, honestly, in many situations.
It's a wonderful, flexible sentence. Okay, let's review our key phrases for today.
Yes, please. So many useful ones today.
Number 1, "Hi, sorry to bother you. I have a small problem."
The gentle opening.
Number 2, "There's a leak under the kitchen sink," or any specific problem word.
Describing the issue clearly.
Number 3, "It's not urgent, but I'd like it fixed soon," for non-urgent problems. Number 4, "This is urgent. I don't have hot water," for truly urgent problems. Number 5, "Would it be okay if I got a small cat?" for asking permission politely. Number 6, "I was wondering, do you know when someone can come look at it?" A gentle way to follow up. And number 7, "Sorry, could you explain that in a simpler way?"
For when I don't understand something.
Wonderful. You've really learned so much today.
I have. I feel genuinely ready to talk to my landlord now, calmly.
I'm so glad. Remember, landlords deal with these conversations regularly too. It's normal for them. That helps me remember this isn't a big, scary event, just a normal part of renting. Exactly right. A calm, clear conversation is always the best approach.
I completely agree. I feel much more confident now, honestly.
That's wonderful to hear. Small sentences really do carry big confidence every time.
Small sentences, big confidence. I will remember this always.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next conversation. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.
Before we finish, let's add one more real situation. What if you want to end your rental agreement and move out?
Oh, this feels like a big conversation. I've never had to say this in English before.
I understand, but actually, one clear sentence handles most of it. I'd like to give notice that I'll be moving out.
I'd like to give notice that I'll be moving out. Okay, the word notice is new for me here.
In this context, notice means telling someone officially, usually before a certain date.
Oh, that makes sense. So it's like an official warning, but calm, not angry.
Exactly right. It's simply a formal, polite announcement. Nothing negative at all.
That helps a lot. I always imagined this conversation would feel confrontational somehow.
It really doesn't need to. Landlords expect tenants to move eventually. It's part of renting.
That's reassuring, honestly. I feel calmer about this whole topic already.
Good. Now, what if the landlord asks for the exact date you're leaving?
I can say, I'm planning to leave by the end of next month, something like that.
Perfect. Simple, clear, and easy to say confidently.
I like how almost every difficult topic today became simple with the right sentence.
That's exactly the pattern we want you to notice, every single time.
I've noticed it clearly now, honestly, and it feels very freeing somehow.
Wonderful. Now, one more small situation. Asking about the security deposit when you move out.
Oh, this is confusing for me. I don't fully understand how deposits work here.
You can simply ask, when can I expect the deposit back after I move out?
When can I expect the deposit back after I move out? That's clear and direct, but still polite.
Exactly right. Money questions feel easier when the sentence is short and specific.
I agree completely. Short and specific removes so much of the awkwardness.
Beautifully understood. I think you're ready for almost any landlord conversation now.
I really do feel that way, honestly, more than I expected to feel today.
That makes me very happy to hear. Truly, after everything we practiced together today.
Thank you for making such a stressful topic feel so manageable, honestly, step by step.
You're very welcome. Every conversation becomes easier with the right small words ready.
I completely agree. I will keep these phrases close for whenever I need them next.
That's exactly the right mindset to carry forward, always, into real life.
I feel proud of how much I understand now, more than when we started today.
You should feel proud, genuinely. This was a big topic, and you handled it wonderfully.
Thank you again, truly, for your patience and clear explanations throughout this lesson.
You are so welcome, and I am proud of the progress you made today, truly.
I am proud too, and I feel ready to speak calmly with my landlord this week.
Wonderful news. Small steps every day will carry you very